Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Path Trading Partners along with Bob Iacchino. So I put up the short-term levels yesterday. You can see we had 70.97 and 72.95. 72.95, what was the high today? 73.24, so just spiking slightly above that, and then strong reversal filling the gap. And heading back down, closing within the 4-hour rotation zone right against this support shelf. So if we break below today's low 61.25, then I'll be watching really for 57. Our gamma is 56.96, and we have a rising rotation zone. Let's go looking at the 57 mark. If you break below that, 53.10, cluster areas projected down 40, 48, then 42.96, so essentially 43, coming in conjunction with the 50-period exponential moving average. On a rally up, right here is my first target area, about 68.20, and then I'll be watching for 73.24, 75, 76, and 78.27. Checking in on the daily chart, you can see her holding just above the rotation zone. So actually, if it breaks below about 60, then I'll start watching for the bigger pullback based on the daily chart. Other than that, nothing else to report on Nikola, and we'll talk to everyone later. Bye for now.